Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Math, Section 1.3, Problem 20. This is Section 1.3, Problem 20. It says, what is the sum of 24 and 432? So sum means to add together. So this problem could just really say add 24 plus 432. So we can just write 24, 432, and add. And we can really add them in either order. We could put the 432 on top and the 24 underneath, and you would still get the same result. I just wrote them in the order they were given in the problem. So I start in the far right column and I add 4 plus 2, that's 6, there's nothing to carry. The next column, 2 plus 3, that's 5, again, nothing to carry. And then in the far left column, there's nothing plus 4, so it's just 4. So the answer is 456. The sum of 24 and 432 is 456.